Hello.
Hello, teacher. Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Belna.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, good. And what do you want to be?
I want to be a police officer.
Okay, what food do you like?
I like green, orange.
Green oranges. Okay. Bella, what is number 2?
They are jeans.
Number 1.
This is jacket.
And jacket. Number 3.
They are shoes.
Number 5.
Is a t-shirt.
That's right. Number 4.
They are socks.
Number 6.
Is a dog.
Number 8.
Is a goat.
Number 7.
Is a duck.
Number 9.
Is a horse.
And number 10.
Is a sheep.
That's right. Okay, Bella, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a shirt and pants.
Do you want a yellow t-shirt?
No, I don't.
What food do you want?
I want some chips.
Chips. Okay, good. Look at this boy's t-shirt. What is in the t-shirt?
Is a duck.
What are they doing?
They are swimming.
That's right. Now, what letter is it?
Is letter C.
Name the words.
C cat. C computer. C camera.
Very good. What letter is this?
Is letter S.
Name the words, please.
S suns. S sauce.
And what letter is this?
Is letter T.
Now name the words, please.
T train. T teddy. T tree.
Yes, very good, Bella. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.